All right, we're back on another video. How to record this video. It just came to my mind as I was filming other content for my Instagram and for my social and things like that. So I thought, why not record this little video? And it's going to be about what type of content, that high quality content that you can start creating for your clients. So this is if you're a beginner videographer and you kind of feel lost, right? So you don't know where to begin or where to get started in terms of like putting together your offer and also creating professional content, right? So one thing I like to say is that picking the niche, right? So now you don't have to go all in on that niche, but have a rough idea. It could be 1 to 2 different niches that you're going after, or it could be multiple niche. And the other way that you can look at it is the type of service that you can start offering. So, for example, this could be a brand story video or a video business card, and you can apply that for multiple different industries, right? So this could be a dentist, it could be a chiropractor, this could be a real estate agent, or it could be a trades and services type of business. So figure out what type of offer or content package you can put together and start getting good at doing those. Something I would recommend is the brand story video. These are pretty powerful. So this is basically a storytelling video that has some B-roll footages and there is some talking overlays. And the whole idea is for people who are consuming it to basically be emotionally persuaded after watching those content, right? So you are going to help your clients script it out, film everything that you need to film, and edit them professionally. And this is where you can charge $2,000, $3,000 per video, or you can go up to even $20,000 to $30,000 per video. But if you're starting at $2,000 to $3,000, is a good place to start. So the other type of video you could be doing is testimonial videos. So these are powerful because you filming from the clients that your client actually have. So this could be, basically this could be any industry. So I've done most of the home and improvement services testimonial before, but this could be any other industries as well. As long as you can actually physically go on location to film the clients that your client has and get a powerful testimonial of them. And literally all you need to have a list of questions that you can ask them and they tell you the answer and showcase some of the experiences and make it more emotionally persuasive. So these are powerful. It's good for the clients. It's good for you to build up your case study, your portfolio, because clients are going to get massive result or success from using their client testimonial in order to get more clients. And you can charge higher ticket for those as well. So the other type of video that you could be getting good at is video ads. Video ads are powerful because you're showcasing, let's say, how a product or how a specific service actually work. So step by step, or taking them through the journey, right? So this could be any type of service type of business, service-based business, or it could be even product-based business as well. So you demonstrating how a specific product work, what benefit or value they get, and take them on that emotional journey. So I hope these 3 type of video content actually gives you some idea if you're a beginner creator, and this type of videos are pretty powerful for your clients and you can start selling them. So if you're a beginner videographer, you don't know where to get started and you want to charge high ticket, I would suggest starting with these, offering these 2 or 3 different types of videos and package them together even to make it a better deal for your client so your client can't refuse it. So it's an irresistible offer they can't say no to. So I hope you got some value out of this. And if this is something that you guys need my one-on-one help with, shoot me a message on Instagram and I would love to connect with you.